Hello and welcome back to week 4 of the ISO platformer, episode 4. So I didn't really get much time to work on the ISO platformer this week, but what I did work on was changing the enemies to look like big giant cones, and instead of having a reddish pink floor, I went down and I found um, this lava texture. So now you can drive around and stuff. And I added like a dirt pile um, to it as well. So what I did with the floor was get like this ground mass dirt material, and then I added it to the shader, and then I had like, if I set it to like 1 and 1, it looks just like one giant. It's just one of the textures. So for the tiling, I just made it repeat. So 3 times on the X, and then 4 times on the Y, and it kind of gives a better looking graphic to it and whatnot. So yeah. So and then for the lava, it's actually 2 textures. So you can see I have the main one, which is this dark one, and then for the second one, I just have a lighter version of the lava. So yeah. So then I just have an animation where it just runs one over the other, and it changes their tiling values and the offset, so it makes it look like it's moving. So yeah. So that's what I did. I also went and I built a game. So you just go to build settings, and then I don't know. No, you can't see it. I just built a game, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like if I upload it to itch. So, alright, so here we are on itch.io. This is the edit game, so this is where you come to like upload your games. So you just put in a title, it gives you a project URL, you actually classify what it is, so there's actually a bunch of different things it can be. I have it as a game, I have it as a HTML file because I built my game in WebGL. You can, whatever release status you want it to be, and then your pricing, so you can have no payments or a donation or have your games paid to play them. And uploading, so I just uploaded a zip file of the WebGL, and I said that this file will be playable in the browser. And then you can, in the embed options, you can auto detect the size or manually set it. I just auto detect it, so you don't have to like sit here all day and change pixel sizes if you have to manually set it. So, and then in the details, this is just usual description box of what your game is about. I just put in the how to play, and I put in my social media links as well. So whatever genre and tags for whatever your game is, and then you can have comments enabled or disabled, and then visibility of is public or is only access to a few people. So you save, and then you go and view the page. So this is what it looks like. On the edit team, you can see that you can actually change the colors here of the background and whatnot. So there's all your text, and then there's where you can leave a comment. So if you run the game, it might take some time. Usually the first time you press to run it. So you have your splash screen show up, and then you have the start. And then here's my game in running on WebGL. So yeah. So there's level 2 then. And then level 2, I have it that'll just send you back to level 1. So that's it for this week's episode of the ISO platformer I've been working on. So thanks very much for watching every week if you've been watching all the way through. If you have any questions, any feedback, just leave them in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe. Thanks very much, guys.